What is going on, guys? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I just wanted to make a short video today announcing my partnership with Discount Filters. They have a website I'll post down in the video description if you want to check them out. These filters are made by NT Supply and they're based in Greenwood, Indiana. The filters are proudly made in the USA, of course. They make water, air, refrigerator, humidifier, pool, and automotive related filters. I don't believe they have oil filters or intake air filters yet, but they do have cabin air filters, and they do have portable filters and accessories. These are high quality Clear Choice and AirX filters. Like I said, proudly made in the USA. They offer free shipping over $50, and they claim that their filters are 40 to 70% off of retail. Now, to be fully transparent with you guys, as always, I do get a 5% commission for anything purchased through my affiliate links. So just putting that out there. But if you want to support an American company and an American YouTuber, please check them out and consider using them when buying your future air filters. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Check me out on all the socials. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.